Well, good morning, everybody. Herkese günaydın. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Herkese günaydın. Günaydın means good morning in Turkish, Türkçe. So, hadi matematik yapalım. Let's do some math in Turkish. So I'm going to teach you the numbers. I might have done this before, but we're going to take it further, and I'm going to teach you how to add, subtract, divide, and multiply. So let's go over the numbers. If I have done this, I don't think I've done it recently. If I have done it recently, we're going to take it further, like I said. All right, so Sefer 0, Bir 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sefer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, Sefer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sefer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that is 1 to 10. And then 10 is easy, on. And then 11 is very easy. It's very straightforward in Turkish. On 1, 11. On 2, 12. On 3, 3. So you can see 2 is 2, 3 is 3. You're just putting that after the on to make 12, 13, and so on. And you just keep going like that till you get to 20, which is 20. And then you've got 21, 21, 22, 22, 24, okay? So then we have 30, 31, 32, 33, okay? Kirk, 1, 2, 3. Ellie 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then if you want to say 204, so we've got 2, which is 2, use, which is 104. 2 use dort, 204. If you want to say 224, 2 use yirmi dort. So 224. 1,000 is bin, 10,000 is on bin, a million is milyon, billion is milyar, a millionaire is a millionaire, but we spell it different. As you can see, this is English, this is millionaire. A billionaire is a miljarder. So having all that having been said, let's learn to add and subtract. So first, we're going to learn how to say plus, and that is arte. Plus. So we're going to say beer, which is 1, arte plus beer, 1, and then equals, let's put this up here, eşittir. Sorry, it is hard through the camera. You'll hear other people say that too. Eşittir. So, bir artı bir eşittir. I don't know why I have to do 3 of them. Eşittir. Bir artı bir eşittir 2. 2. All right. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. Let's do 3. 3 artı 3 plus, well, let's do 3. 3 plus 3, so 3 plus 3 eşittir. Let's see if I can do it right this time. There we go. Eşittir. Alta. Did I get this right? Yes, alta 6. Okay. And notice arta is your plus. Alta is 6. Those are two different things. All right. Let's do something a little harder, okay? Let's do dort arta plus dort arta on 10 eşittir dort arta 10. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Okay, dort arta, so 4 would be on dort. So dort arta on eşittir on dort. 4 plus 10 equals 14. I multiplied it. I was looking on a page I have these written on. I multiplied it. I was like, oh, no, not yet. Okay. All right, so iki, hopefully I didn't multiply this one, use kirk, no, 240, okay, arte, otus, alta, eşittir all right, eşittir equals, all right, iki, use 70 alta. So in other words, 276, and hopefully I did that right. 240, I think so. So iki use kirk, 240 arta, otus alti 36, eşittir iki use 70 alta 276. All right, so hopefully that helps you on addition. And let's go to subtraction on the next page. All right, something simple to start with. Beer. And to say subtract, we're going to say eksi. 1 minus beer. 1 eşittir sıfır. Bir eksi bir eşittir sıfır. 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, let's go to alta. 6 eksi dort 4 eşittir iki. So alta 6 eksi minus dort 4 eşittir equals 2, 2. All right. Let's go to 18. 18 eksi 9 18 eksi 9 eşittir 9. So 18 minus 9 equals 9. All right. So hopefully that gives you a good picture of subtraction. Now we're going to go to multiplication. So to say multiply is kere. All right. So 2 kere times 2 times 2 eşittir equals 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 kere 2 eşittir 4. All right, let's try this. 25 kere 2 eşittir 50. So 25 kere 2 times 2 eşittir 50. Okay? All right, let's do this one. Use 100 kere 9 9 eşittir 900. So use 100 kere 9 9 eşittir 900, 900. All right, so then we're going to go to division, and to divide we're going to say bolu. Okay, so let's start with something simple. 2 bolu 2. So 2 divided by 2 eşittir 1. 2 bolu 2 eşittir 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. All right. Now let's go to 18 bolu 18 bolu 9 eşittir 2. So 18 18 bolos 9 divided by 9 eşittir 2. 2. Okay. All right, let's try this one. Kirk, which is 40. Bolu 2. Eşittir Sorry, this wants to, every once in a while it wants to blur. I think it's because I get my finger in there. So, Kirk Bolo Iki Eshitir Yirmi, which is 20. So, Kirk Bolo Iki Eshitir Yirmi, 40 divided by 2 equals 20. Okay, so hopefully this gives you some idea. Now, there's a few things that I want to point out. If you see this, that is a ch sound. If you see this, it's a regular S sound. If you see this, it's an SH. And those are some things to remember about Turkish. They also have this symbol quite often, which changes the sound a little bit. And then there is something else. There is a regular I, and then this is sort of an accented I, where they'll just put no dot. So whether or not I've got all that straight, because I get these two mixed up a little yet, and I'm trying to get them down. But just so you know, those are some of the different sounds that are in Turkish. I don't think there's anything I've forgotten at this point, except I'll give you one very large number. Let's learn to say it. So 1,958. Let's learn to say that. So bin is 1,000. Dokuz, 9. Dokuz use 900. Eli, 50. Sekas, 8. 1,000. Dokuz use 900. Eli Sekas, 58. And that's really all there is to it. It is quite straightforward and quite easy, and I hope you'll enjoy it.